All right, I'm here with Cody. Cody has a deviated septum that you've had for how long?
12 years?
12 years, yeah. He went over the handlebars on his motocross bike, right?
Snowmobile.
Oh,
Yeah.
snowmobile, same thing. A vehicle going fast. Oh, and then on snow, right?
Yeah.
And smashed his face
Into the handlebars.
into the handlebars. Yeah. Okay. So, so if you come on over here, and you can see, if you look right here, you can see his nose takes this curve here. Okay. So, and then you can also see too, his left nostril is bigger than his right nostril. Can you see that? Can you get that in there? Okay. All right. So we just want to come in here and test it first. So breathe and breathe again. Okay, so he's getting a little more air. Do it again. Breathe and breathe. So you get more air out of the right side, right?
Yeah.
So it's shifted this way. So also, yeah. So this is bone up here. So, but this is the nasal septum here. We need to move it like that. All right, so we have that curve there. So you're gonna breathe out of your mouth. So we're just gonna grab a little, ready? One more. Good. Okay, we're gonna do that again. There we go. Good. That was good. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, felt that.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna open those up. He's got a nice scar too. Go ahead and breathe. Good. You can kind of start reshaping the nose too when you do this. Good. Okay. Breathe. Let me see how much more breath you got.
Yeah.
You notice that? Breathe. Good. That was cool, huh?
Yeah, it's actually a big difference.
We did that once last week and it made a big difference, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep doing that. So what we're trying to do is get rid of this bump here. There we go. Good. I'm gonna give that one more. Give it one more. Ready? Open your mouth. Breathe. Good. Perfect. Okay.
It's actually weird how much it opens up.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, breathe. So much more. And again. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot more even both sides.
Yeah. And that just clicked in there too. So good. Okay. There we go. Nasal septum adjustment, and we're just gonna keep doing that. Straighten his nose out. So if you have a deviated septum, ask your chiropractor if they know how to do this technique, and if not, come and see me. Okay. Thanks for watching.